So the sticky notes are a little bit all over the place. Hello, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me today and happy day 5 of Vlogmas. This is our first Wednesday of Vlogmas and the theme for Wednesdays is just going to be Plan With Me Wednesdays, which is what I usually do here on my channel on Wednesdays. I post the plan with me for the current week that we are in. So I am here today to plan out next week, which is Monday, December 3rd through Sunday, December 9th, and it is Hanukkah. And I am so excited that Hanukkah is like perfectly on a week. I mean, it starts tonight, Sunday the 2nd, but then this whole thing is the remaining 7 days of Hanukkah. It's just perfect. It doesn't, and I am using this adorable kit from Shine Sticker Studio. I went through this on a Happy Mail haul, which I will link below if you want to see my like initial reaction to the kit, as well as some of the kits I'll be using later this month. But before we get into that, let's go ahead and flip to last week, or in other words, today, which is looking a little bit empty. So let's go ahead and fill in today. I know what I'm doing, but I have not had time to put it in my planner. If you watched my weekly vlog, you saw that Saturday, this isn't what happened. I spent most of Saturday trying to get my computer fixed at the Microsoft store. Where is, I think it might be in this pile of stickers over here. Hang on. So I spent most of Saturday trying to get my computer fixed. It was not working. It was just really frustrating. So let's go ahead. I'm going to film this video and then I might film one more today. And then I'm going to work out. I'm not putting one of my normal workout stickers because I'm doing actually this workout. It's kind of funny this week. The workouts, none of them are on the days that they happened. Okay, are you ready? So Monday, I did not get up. So this workout happened on Tuesday. This workout happened on Wednesday morning. And then this one's right, actually. And then this workout happened on Thursday night, actually, which is just ridiculous, during the game. And now I'm going to do this one on Sunday. So I'm just putting this here to kind of mark the time. And then I'm going to use this full box to mark that most of my day is just going to be spent editing. That's pretty much all I'm going to do. Today, I'm going to edit the video I did last night and get it up. So I'm just going to stick an edit sticker in the middle of this full box and call that a day. And then at night, I'm going to hang out with Sam. We were supposed to go to the movies on Saturday night and we didn't. So let me see. Does this fit here? I guess I can move this up a smidge. I was trying to make it in line with this one because I thought that would be visually appealing. But I think what I'll do is move it up a tiny bit so that I have room for these cute pandas. And then I'm going to put date night, although it's just going to be date night at home. We're going to finish the movie that we rented last night and just watch that. That is what is going on today. I'm going to put 2 check boxes here in case I decide to do the second video. This one is the plan with me. Let's see. The rest of this has not happened yet, and none of this has happened. Okay, so that's it. Here's how last week turned out. Let's go ahead and start this week. Let's start easy and do the bottom. So they have strips that perfectly fit the bottom of the Erin Condren. There's a little bit of space. I probably could have moved them up or down and fit a small strip of washi, but I decided not to, honestly, just because I feel like getting up and going to hunt for washi. They're a little bit too narrow. They don't quite fit all the way to the edge of the page or of the little dotted lines. This is my first time using a kit from this shop, so we'll see how it goes. Okay, so I'm having a little bit of a crisis. So if you watch my plan with me's, I normally do each column in a color. And I thought that this was going to be so easy because if you look, these have the number of candles for each night of Hanukkah. So I thought, well, perfect. There we go. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Done. And I made the sidebar in this color and it's going to be perfect. But some of these are this cream colored and the check boxes are not in those colors. So I'm going to have to do something different. And I either am going to have the check boxes not match. So if like I do that Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and I guess I could do the blue check box in the place of that white one. And then if I do these Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, I could do a yellow checkbox. I mean, I think that's just my best option. The sidebar has to be blue because that's what I made. Here's a little secret. I like to use my work printer when I can because the ink is just so much prettier. But I forgot to take this kit with me to work on Friday, so I couldn't match the colors exactly. So look, I made my habit sticker in 3 different ones, hoping that one would be close. I think this middle one is gonna be my best bet. So let's just go ahead and get that down. And then those other 2 I'm just gonna throw them away. It's a little bit taller than it normally is. I didn't add a new habit. I just sort of shifted them around a little bit because I wanted all the social media ones to be together. It is way taller than it normally is, which means when I go to stick a quote sticker up here, I'm definitely going to have to trim it, which I normally do. So I think my best option is going to be this one because I can trim it easier. Let's see where it actually, it looks like if I cut it like at the top of the bottom row of stars, we should be good. I go hunting for my scissors. I did not know where they were. Okay, I'm gonna be a little bit cautious at first and do it on that top line instead of, I think it needs to be a little bit shorter, but I would rather it be too tall and have to cut it again than too short. Actually, this is probably gonna be just right. Perfect. Even though these are for the Nights of Hanukkah, I'm not going to use them that way because I don't think there are really any other half boxes in this kit. So I'm going to use them like I would any other half box. It's just decorative in the corner, but I won't use it on another day. It'll only be the day that that falls in, if that makes sense. So her stickers are definitely not removable, but they're not like glossy stickers where you can't get them up after like a second or two after you put them down. Like you can move them during a plan with me, but once they're down, they're going to be down. Like I'm not gonna be able to move them tomorrow. Okay. And then the weekend sticker, I freaking love it, but I don't know where I'm going to put it because my wacky holiday stickers normally go up here. Plus it doesn't really fit there. I might put it, can you see it though? Yeah, that might just be my best option. Oh no, oh no, oh no, I broke it. Oh no. All right, they are definitely not removable from each other. So once it's down, if you're gonna layer it, it's down. So that's where the weekend sticker's going. Oh, that was a little bit stressful. I don't think I'm actually gonna end up using anything really from the sheet. I guess maybe these, but okay. Holy moly, to the workout stickers. So same thing, the workout stickers, they didn't end up so bad. They're not terrible. They're not, the light yellow is probably the least matte. Oh, this might work out actually. Okay, so Monday, normal, workout is normal. Tuesday morning, I'm not working out because my holiday party is Monday night. So there's no way that's happening. Wednesday, I'm actually gonna work out at night. So that works out because the light yellow does not work. Now I would normally put one there on Wednesday night, partially because the yellow doesn't match. And then partially because I'm just going to take a dance class. So I might just, dance. I'll be honest though, in all reality, this one might not happen because we have a Hanukkah party on Thursday night. It might happen on Sunday, but because the yellow doesn't match, I'm just gonna do that. Okay, now to fill in the space when I am at work. I can't decide if I'm gonna treat this column like white or like blue, because if I treat it like blue, then there's two blues right back to back and I don't really like that. But if I treat it like white, I don't really know which one of these to use. Okay, we'll come back to that because I'm struggling. So we're gonna do this one, because this one makes sense to go here. This one I might trim, and only because Monday is gonna be crazy and I really need that evening space. And normally I wouldn't bother, but I need that real estate, man. I have 2 things to do Monday night after work, so I need to go to actually, so I need the space for it. So let's go ahead and put that there. I like this present one though. Okay, so Monday we have 2 things. I have my work holiday party, so I'm gonna use the candle half box to mark that. And then after that, Sam has a show that he puts on through, it's a non-for-profit theater organization. And normally I will go to the 7 o'clock show, but because I have my holiday party, I'm going to go to the 9 o'clock show, which is not my favorite thing in the world, but that's okay. So I'm going to do this little music guy to mark that. Tuesday, I need to do all of the laundry, like in the entire universe. I also have an appointment, and I also need to go grocery shopping. Those are all the things I have to do Tuesday night. Wednesday, I'm going to take that dance class. Let's mark that. I'll use this one. And then after the dance class, I'm just going to edit, and more edit. We're editing. Edit and edit. So I'm going to use this one. So I just realized I didn't put in any of the Spurs games, but I don't know. I don't think I'm going to do it, partially because her stickers are just not removable and it's kind of too late, and I'm not going to watch any of them next week because I should watch this one on Friday versus the Lakers. That's the only one that I might watch because A, it's at a reasonable time and it's LeBron. So I think I will mark that one just because I might actually watch it, but that's probably going to be it. So let's go ahead and put that on Friday. Thursday night, we have a Hanukkah party at the JCC. Sam is on the board for the 20s and 30s group at the JCC. So we are going to their holiday party, their Hanukkah party, really. All right, Saturday, there is a holiday party. Okay, you're getting ahead of yourself, Laken. So first on Saturday, we're going to film some things. And this sticker is like literally the perfect sticker because it's the right color and it has 3 little check boxes. So I'm going to do, I think I'm out of the word film. Oh, wait. Does this one have one? Nope, but I can use this one. This one does not go here, Laken. I think I put it there because I thought like blue and white and blue and white. This one goes on Sunday. I was like, wait a second. The number of candles are not matching up. Okay, that's good. And actually, I grabbed these little basketball stickers. Let's see how different this blue color is. Yeah, I'm gonna put that there. No, I'm not. The blue's different and it looks silly to have like the candles and the basketball. Oh, geez. I don't want this to come across as like, oh, all I'm doing is filming and editing. But the truth is, during the month of December, I am going to work, a handful of holiday events, and then filming and editing. So I just want, that's what it's going to be. But I don't want it to come across as if I'm complaining. And then Saturday night, I have a friend that's having a party. I'm not sure if I'm going to go because it is all the way in Brooklyn and I have a lot of other things to do. Did I not grab the little drink munchkins? Anyways, I might not go because it is all the way in Brooklyn and I have things to do. So weather pending, I might go, but I'm going to go ahead and mark it anyway with this little munchkin. So based on the feel of her stickers, I think I'm going to be able to get away with this matte pen, but I'm not 100% sure. So we're going to find out together. So I totally forgot to mark something, and I'm glad that I thought about it because first off, I wouldn't want to forget. And I also want to mention that I'm changing the time. So I'm actually going to do this in a different color so that it really stands out. Yeah. Like that might look ridiculous, but I really just need it to stand out. So as part of Vlogmas, my Thursday videos are going to be YouTube Lives. I'm calling them Thirsty Thursdays. You grab a cup of something that you want to drink. I had originally said that they were going to be at 8 p.m. Eastern time, but then this party got scheduled. So this Thursday is at 6 p.m. Eastern time, which is the day this video goes up, that is tomorrow. And I'm just so excited to hang out and chat. This first one, the topic is going to be 2018 recap. So we're going to be talking about all things 2018. What events did you go to, planner or non-planner? Did you like them? Would you go again? What are you looking? Nope, we're not talking about 2019. We're talking about 2018. And then just other things, highs and lows in general of 2018. How did you feel about 2018? I love the holiday season, no matter what holidays, and I love that I get to celebrate other holidays with Sam. Let me know in the comments below, what do you celebrate? Do you have more than one holiday? Do you celebrate other holidays with friends? I'd love to hear about your holiday situation. Like I said, we celebrate Hanukkah because Sam is Jewish, and then we celebrate Christmas with my family. Okay, I forgot what time this party is at, so I'm gonna wait to fill that in. And I think that's it. I actually don't, normally I write, I guess I can fill in that, we'll fill in my vitamin thing. I'm like an old lady and I have a vitamin thing that has like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and I always fill it in on Saturdays. I'm not filling in any other to-dos, partially because I can't think right now what my to-dos are. And normally I will put like that I'm gonna post a video, but I added that over in my habit tracker, so I don't need to actually put anything there. So that is it. Here is my Hanukkah week all planned out. I love how this looks. This kit is very cute. I think the designs are beautiful. You know, it's bold and it's a little bit whimsical, but not too whimsical, if that makes sense. I love the little touches like the Star of David checklist and the dreidel on the weekend sticker. I don't love the non-removable paper. Like this one, once it was down, was not coming up. I don't love that these don't reach all the way to the edge. That bugs me a little bit, but all in all, I think it was a great kit for a great price. And the shop may not be my go-to for sort of everyday kits, but if she has other cute designs for holidays in the future, I probably won't be able to say no. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you're new here, please click that subscribe button. I upload new videos usually every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, and every day during December for Vlogmas. Thank you so much for watching. Happy planning!